Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about parallel operation of three-phase transformer. We will discuss what are the advantages of parallel operation, what are the conditions of parallel operations, what will happen if the conditions are not matching. Okay, so here we will discuss about this. Now, what is a parallel operation of three-phase transformer? Why it is required? Parallel operation of three-phase transformer is very common in three-phase power generation, transmission and distribution. It is advantageous to use two or more transformers in parallel instead of using a single large unit. So, due to the parallel operation, we will get the flexibility for maintenance as well as for operation. Now see here, what is happening? आप चाहो तो एक ट्रांसफार्मर लगा दो और that will supply the power to the consumer, and due to some reason if that transformer fails, जब तक आप नया ट्रांसफार्मर नहीं लगाएंगे that consumer will not get the supply. That is the first case. Second, suppose एक बड़ा ट्रांसफार्मर लगा दिया और लोड कम हो गया, लोड 10% है, तो क्या होगा? Unnecessary iron loss will always be constant. We know, we have studied iron loss is known as constant loss. So iron loss continuously होता रहेगा. It is simply wastage of money. Losses will be more compared to the. So लेकिन अगर आपने 3-4 ट्रांसफार्मर पैरेलल में लगाए या 2 ट्रांसफार्मर पैरेलल में लगाए, लोड कम हो गया, you can switch off 1 or 2 transformers. Or as per requirement, as per demand, you can connect 1 transformer or 2 in parallel. So this may be possible. Clear? So there are so many advantages of parallel operation. Some conditions are also there, we will discuss later on. Okay? See here, what are the advantages of parallel operation? पहला है reliability. What is the meaning of reliability? Suppose करो आपका एक ट्रांसफार्मर है, large transformer, or if it fails, what will happen? Supply to the consumer will not be possible. You can't do the maintenance also. But suppose we are supplying power to the consumers through 3 or 4 transformers in parallel, और कोई एक ट्रांसफार्मर फेल हो गया, so you can supply electricity through the remaining transformers which are connected in parallel. So reliability is more, reliability is higher. Clear? That is the first. Second, और मेंटेनेंस वगैरह के लिए भी निकाल सकते हैं आप. साइज, एक ट्रांसफार्मर अगर है तो उसकी साइज ज्यादा हो रहेगी, और साइज ज्यादा है तो क्या होगा? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्रॉब्लम, इंस्टॉलेशन प्रॉब्लम विल बी देयर. बट उसके बदले में, एक के बदले में 4 ट्रांसफार्मर पैरेलल में हैं, तो साइज विल बी लेस, you can transport it easily, you can install it easily, right? That is the second advantage. And third advantage क्या है? Maintenance opportunity. Suppose करो कि transformers are in parallel, if you want, you can maintain one, just disconnect it from the supply and you can maintain. You can supply the remaining transformer, you can supply the power through the remaining transformers, right? So maintenance opportunity is possible. But अगर एक ही ट्रांसफार्मर होता, you can't maintain it. मेंटेन करने के लिए निकाला आपने एक ट्रांसफार्मर को, सप्लाई टू द कंज्यूमर्स विल बी स्टॉप्ड. सो दैट इज, दीज आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ parallel operation. So I'm going to discuss this in details. Okay, now conditions for parallel operation of three-phase transformer. What are the conditions of parallel operation? Okay, necessary conditions क्या है? What are the necessary conditions? What are the necessary conditions for parallel operation of three-phase transformer? पहला, the line voltage ratio of the transformers must be same. The primary voltage and secondary voltage, the voltage ratio of all transformers which are connected in parallel must be same. Clear? अगर ratio different हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? Circulating current can start flowing. We'll discuss this point later on. Okay, that is the first condition. Second क्या है? What is the second condition? The transformer should have equal per unit leakage impedance. Equal per unit leakage impedance. It should be same. अगर ये condition satisfied नहीं हुई, we'll discuss in later on. But if this condition will not be satisfied, then what will happen? The sharing will be affected, right? Third, the ratio of the equivalent leakage reactance to the equivalent resistance should be same for all transformers. This condition is not necessary, but it should be there. अगर ये condition satisfied नहीं होगा तो power factor of the will be different, so sharing will be different, right? Fourth condition, the transformer should have the same polarity. अगर उल्टा हो गया, polarity different हो गया, तो what will happen? Dead short circuit. No load पे भी आपका dead short circuit. Transformer will be fully loaded. Clear? And transformer may be burned. Short circuit हो जाएगा. So that fourth condition, this last condition is very, very important. Apart from the above four conditions, there exist two more conditions which should be fulfilled for parallel operation of three-phase transformer. Okay, what is the next condition? We have the relative phase displacement between the secondary line voltage of all transformers should be zero. Relative phase displacement. This means that transformers to be connected in parallel must belong to the same group. इसका मतलब क्या है? YY0 and DD0 will be connected in parallel. YY0 का मतलब क्या है? Zero group, group number 1. Group number 1 will be connected to group number 1. Group number 2 will be connected to group number 2, like that. Okay? And the last condition क्या है? The phase sequence of the secondary line voltage of all the transformers should be same. Phase sequence should be same. Clear? We'll discuss this point later on. What will happen if the phase sequence is not same? Okay? So these are the essential and necessary conditions we will discuss. Okay, and I'm going to discuss some questions. These are the necessary conditions. So this is the transformer A, B, C. We have, this is the transformer primary, and this is the second transformer primary. This is the secondary of this transformer, and this is the secondary of this transformer. You can connect in parallel. Okay, like that also. That is a connection I have given. Now, I have some questions. Why the relative phase sequence displacement between the secondary line voltage आपने connection कर दिए parallel में. Of this is A2, B2, C2. This is one transformer, and A dash, A2 dash, B2 dash, C2 dash, another secondary. सेकेंड ट्रांसफार्मर, दूसरा ट्रांसफार्मर जो पैरेलल में लगाया उसकी सेकेंडरी का वोल्टेज है, एंड दे हैव सम फेज डिफरेंस. क्लियर? सो एक का क्या आएगा? व्हाट विल हैपन? सपोज आपने आप इंस्टेंटेनियस वोल्टेज ड्रॉ किया लाइक दैट, एक का ऐसा है, दूसरे का फेज डिफरेंस है ऐसा. Phase difference. Because of the phase difference, this is the voltage difference between the two, A and A2 dash, B and B2 dash, C2 and C2 dash. So क्या होगा? Because of that, large circulating current will start flowing through the secondary windings. Circulating current will start flowing, right? This may happen, and this may damage the transformer. क्लियर? इसका मतलब A और A2 और A2 डैश के बीच का एंगल कितना होना चाहिए? 0. क्लियर? इसका मतलब दे मस्ट बी इन द सेम फेज ग्रुप. दैट इज अ नेसेसरी कंडीशन. ओके, ओके, सो आई एम रबिंग इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आई वांट टू डिस्कस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्या है? वाई फेज सीक्वेंस शुड बी इक्वल फॉर पैरेलल ऑपरेशन ऑफ थ्री फेज ट्रांसफार्मर. दिस इज A2, B2, C2. दिस इज A2 dash, B2 dash, C2 dash. Angle is 0 here. Here is also 0. Here is also 0. Phase sequence is okay. बट सेकेंड केस में क्या है, दिस इज A2 B2 C2, A2 डैश इज ओके, बट यहाँ पर C2 डैश के बदले में C2 डैश आ गया और यहाँ B2 डैश आ गया C2 के बदले में, तो यहाँ फेज सीक्वेंस रिवर्स हो गया। बिकॉज ऑफ फेज सीक्वेंस रिवर्स होने से क्या हो जाएगा, एक का राइट ना, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर विल नॉट बी हियर, बिकॉज दोनों का फेज सीक्वेंस सेम है, बट यहाँ पर C2 और B2 डैश है, यहाँ B2 और C2 डैश है। This is the problematic thing. The phase sequence of the secondary line voltage of all the transformers should be same. If the phase sequence is same, voltage नहीं आने वाला, zero रहेगा, no problem. But if the phase sequence is not okay, then however, an improper phase sequence may result in complete damage of the transformer. Okay, this may happen. सपोज करो यहाँ पर फेज सीक्वेंस बदलने से क्या होगा, हियर व्हाट विल हैपन, सॉरी व्हाट विल हैपन हियर, C2 and dash and B2 here, because of that voltage will be very high, and because of that voltage circulating current can flow, and dead short circuit will be there, and the switches may not be designed to withstand this voltage, therefore parallel operation is not possible. So phase sequence should be same, be careful about it, right? Question number 3. In parallel operation of two transformers, if their ratings are equal but percentage impedance are different, how will they share a load? Percentage impedance equal है कि rating will be same, इसका मतलब they will share equal load. Percentage impedance same है but KVA rating different है, जिसकी KVA rating ज़्यादा होगी it will share more, जिसकी KVA rating कम है उसका it will share less, no problem, but percentage impedance should be same. लेकिन जिसका percentage impedance अगर different है, what will happen? जिसका percentage impedance कम होगा, voltage drop in the winding will be less and it will share more. If it is more, it will share less because of drop is less. Okay, so that may happen. So lower percentage impedance transformer will have less voltage drop and therefore it may greater share of load. Okay, so percentage impedance should be same. That is a condition we have. Question number 4. What will happen if the voltage ratio of the transformer running in parallel are not identical? वोल्टेज रेशियो मान लो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, प्राइमरी दोनों का 440 वोल्ट, सेकेंडरी 110 है, सेकेंड ट्रांसफार्मर 440 वोल्ट है, सेकेंडरी 108 है, फेज सीक्वेंस सेम, एवरीथिंग इज सेम, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस 2 वोल्टेज difference, because of 2 volt here, clear? So circulating current can flow. Okay, so due to unequal voltage ratio, secondary voltage of both the transformer will be different, resulting a circulating current will flow through the secondary winding of both the transformer. This circulating current will act as extra load of the transformer and causes heating of the transformer even on no load condition of the transformer. And due to overheating of transformer may be damaged. It depends on what is loading. 100% loading है or difference is there, so circulating current will be, because of the circulating current, more and more current will flow. Okay, so it may damage the transformer. So the ratio should be same. And the last condition we have, okay, okay, so these are the questions we have. I have explained what is happening. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.